Good morning. I am starting the day off early. It's 4:40. Don't mind this on my nose. I have a wound. So yeah, it is an early morning for me because I have crammed so much. Well, not crammed. I procrastinated so much during the Christmas break. I have class in 9 hours. And we're gonna crunch it today. And that's it. Now I'm gonna go make some hot chocolate.
Bakit nag-usap ba tayo no medyo white yung ano natin?
Bakit puro tayo naka-white, guys? Ano ba yung agenda natin?
Guys, gusto nyo ba yung Barbie band-aid na bigay sa akin ni Isa?
Comment down below!
Late na kami!
Late na kami. But you know what? Normal na yan sa akin.
Hanap ko ng friends. Hanap ko lang po kami yung friends. Ano na?
For something na today ko lang ginawa. So, oh my gosh, may nakalimutan na my face. Okay, sa taas na.
Wala naman kami ginawa sa class today. Yun yung ginawa ko. Nag-pass lang ako ng plate na I should have passed weeks ago. So I'm home and I'm gonna get changed first because it's so freaking hot outside. I'm sweating balls even though I don't have them. Cheese. Oh my god. Okay, first off, let me show you the pasalubongs I got over the break. So my friends and I, usually we spend the break in different places. So we tend to give each other pasalubong. From Mizzy! She got me the Trader Joe's bag! Oh my gosh! It's so cute! Oh my god, it says Tumarga XOXO Mizzy. Oh! Napapanood to ni Mizzy. And I'm like, salamat siguro. Joke lang. Thank you so much, Mizzy! That's so cute! Oh my god, cool na ba ako? Diba? Marinita nyo lang sa Salcedo kasi ito yung bag ko. Or I'm gonna go attend Pilates, you know, on the van. So cute! Thank you so much, Lizzie. She also got me earrings. Ano ba yun? Ba't hindi siya nagpo-focus? O basta nakikita nga naman si Calcifer. Let's try them on. Well, let's try one on. Oh my gosh, so cute! We got angel cookies from Pizza. This is from Bacolod. Well, I would think it's from Bacolod. Don't angel cookies. Dry. That's good. I don't know what I'm gonna do. Either I'm gonna go take a nap, which I'm 90% sure that I will, or eat lunch. has it. So, it's either I nap or I eat. But most probably, I'm gonna nap. And oh my gosh! Papatayin ata ako ni Isa.
Guess I am not feeling well. It's... What time is it? It's 10:42. And I think I'm gonna go to sleep now. And I might go to the doctor tomorrow. So hopefully, meron akong mapag-walk-inan. Because I really do not feel good. So it's gonna be an early night for me and Lily. Hello, this is Lily, by the way. Good night. And sana, kasi sa St. Luke's, sana ako magpapacheck up tomorrow. So if ever mag-St. Luke's ako tomorrow, sana makapag-angkan ako.
Nasaan ba? Ba't ang layo naman ng ano nito? Ay, ba't ang layo naman sa kamay? Saan siya pupunta? Saan siya pupunta?
Hoy! Kaso, ay! Wow! Wow! Yes, I hate this student na bully. Ang ganyan ka, ta sobrang gangster nung postura mo. Hey. Magdi-defense 1 month late. Sino kaya may kasalanan? Yes, gusto ko nang matapos to. Tapusin na natin. Ito, nabibidyohan ko na, sir. Panoorin mo na lang to. So, ito nga yung ground floor, ano? Defense or defense?
Bukas magsasamgit tapos
Oh my
Saturday.
God! Wait, ano tayo Saturday?
Saturday? Kasi 1 PM kasi ako uwi eh. Naman ka lang ba?
Regalo ko sa'yo.
Para sa akin na pala yan. Thank you.
Yes, it's William.
Gift niya pala sa'yo. Yan nga, hello, thank you.
Uy, ang generous mo.
Alam ko, makakain mo naman eh.
Mga anak, mag-iingat kayo ah. Mag-iingat kayong dalawa. Grabe na, lalaki nyo na talaga. Mauna ka na, kuya. Pasunod na. Kuya, mauna ka. Maglalakad ka na lang na papunta doon. Bye! Bye, Isa! Yummer!
Pa-open ko ng ano.
Alin? Open up! Ay, ano ba yun? Day-day ko lang yung nakita ko.
Ano ba yun?
Kumain akong potato, hindi pa na naka-video. Oh, sorry. Ay, nahigop yung
Tinulugado eh. Aray ko.
kuluwa kayo.
You're into girls? Erin, you're the wee lesbian?
You're the wee lesbian. Sorry, Claire. I don't I'm just not interested in you like that. Not interested in you like that. Look at the state of you. Nandito na pa, guys.
na ako nakita. Sige, ikaw na.
Kayo na lang ni Isa. Sige. Oh, tapos si Isa kumain eh.
Oh,
Oh my God.
okay, what's that? Sarap. Ate, reklamo. I can appreciate everything from here. Girl, teacher shop.
Apple. Ano yan? Sobrang apple. So, wala naman kaming binili. Nag-try lang kami. Yeah, favorite ko. Ako.
Hey!
We're gonna go home now. Hindi naman na-realize na yun na pala. Oh my God. Hello, Kat! We miss you so much.
Ingat ka sa Dubai. Ingat sa Dubai yung
Say hi to mom for me. Oh, si mom.
Sino, Mom?
Una nga, akala namin naka-skirt ka din.
Dapat nga mag-skirt ako, pero yung mga skirt options. Hello. Lapit na naman. Ang dami mo sinabi, isang AC.
Oy! Oh, eh.
Ready for your headshot.
Oh my gosh. Pera o ba yun?
Oh, that's so cute.
Ganun na. Oh my God! That's so cute!
That's so
Okay. Akin to. Ay, akin to. Pili kayo. Oh, dali. Oh, apple. I knew it. Okay, thank you. Yay! So cute.
What?
Naalala ko mag-vlog today. So, it's, what time is it? It's 5 something. And, papunta pa lang ako ng Taguig. I was supposed to be there last night, but then, ay, guys, hindi ko na ma-explain talaga. Grabe. So, I'm going ngayon. And, also, uwi na rin ako later.
Ay, tawa ka dyan, Isa. Wow, sarap naman na food natin dyan. Wow!
Hindi, ayoko na. Ayoko na. Sige. Wait lang. Hindi ako ulit. Mamaya, nagkabasa ba ni Margaret? Ang iisip ka, nakakawa ko na.
Sarap talaga pag ginawa ng work.
Pero pag nakikitikim na lang ako.
Sarap to. Ang tawag isa.
Put your pinky up. Ang dami na skirt.
Okay, so, magka-cut kami.
Ikaw lang.
So, ano nga yung last yung, ginawa?
Yan nga, yung face cream, yung hold on.
Patingin ka.
Hold the fuck up.
Excuse me, Isa. Ay, ballpen daw. Wala akong ballpen. Ano ba yun? Ito? Hindi ko alam. Ah, ito.
Yeah.
Oh, perfect.
Yung sabi ko sa'yo, tapos ano ko yun?
Ito lang yung last. Ito yung last nyo?
Gagawin ba ito? Oo. Hindi ko malala.
Anong oras pa ako tumateng?
12:30.
Oh, wave. Wave daw. Oh my God, akala ko joke lang. Isipin niyo, oh no, Isa! Ay, okay, pero akala ko hindi na makikita. Ano ba? Sa Thursday na mo
Yes, I'm gonna miss you. I'm gonna miss you.
You two are asleep. No more asking for water. Thank God. Char na pa. Okay. Let's go to miss you so much. I'm gonna miss you so much. Tapos sa Thursday, may kitulog ako dito. Hindi naman every Thursday. Oh, I know. I'm gonna see you Thursday.
Yes.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. No. Nasaan kayo?
Ano?
Ano na?
Tapos ang sapatos.
Buti!
Ang galing na talaga. Wala akong
Sige, umalis ka muna. Wala, ayaw. Ano yung masasabi mo sa class natin today?
Nakakabwisit na talaga yung PL line na yun. Tapos na ako kanina pa.
Ang tagal.
Yun na talaga yun, nabubwisit ako eh. Okay yung okay yung table, okay yung lamp. Pero yun, napagalan ako doon.